Greetings. This is Dwayne. Uh, yeah, I'm the guy who's famous for telling you I'm going to make a really short video, and then it becomes this really long video. But today, I gave you my word. This is going to be a short video because it's about a really important and sensitive subject, and I don't want you to get bored and leave before I have a chance to finish. So, let me ask you a question. As you were trying to learn how to trade Emini Futures, do you feel that you were taken advantage of? Have you tried to learn how to trade E-mini futures and perhaps feel you did not receive what you were promised? Well, one of the largest companies in the business is under investigation by the FTC for questionable business practices. Perhaps you were at home minding your own business and you ended up watching a very compelling 30-minute infomercial, and at the end of the infomercial, you called the toll-free number. I don't want you to be embarrassed. I don't want you to feel ashamed. If I were trying to learn how to trade, that infomercial was so compelling, I would have called the toll-free number. Maybe you were charged $27,000 or $37,000 or whatever they could get. Many of our current students also saw the infomercial. They attended a free lunch presentation, and well, you know what happened next. I have students who went through the same process and never learned how to trade. But today, they are happy, productive, and they are actually learning how to trade. In fact, if you would like our help, I have students who are willing to share their stories. I know you've already spent a lot of money, so please put your wallet away. I will personally work with you for a week for free. And there's no catch, there's no credit card required. When I say free, I mean free. If you decide that what we offer is what you really wanted in the beginning, then the cost of our service, which includes around the clock live support, well, at that point, you'll be pleased to know what we charge is a literal fraction of what others charge. But again, put your wallet away. Come hang out with us for a week. Meet our students. Learn what we do and how we do it. And then, only then, after your free week, we can talk business if you choose. Also, if you were a previous employee of this company who left due to ethical concerns, if you still have a passion for trading and helping others, please feel free to contact me. I really would like to chat with you. Now, to get a hold of us, you can call Valerie at 949-42-EMINI. You can email her support@cfrn.net, or you can go directly to our free trial page, eminitrainingschool.com. eminitrainingschool.com. On behalf of our industry, I apologize for what has happened to you. And if it's within my power to make things right, I'll do my very best. I wish you well in all your trading and life endeavors. And thanks for taking the time to watch this video.